Hello, today we are going to solve the question number 45 from ISS 2019 paper 2. In this question we are given that x1, x2, x3 xn via IID random variables IID random variables with a density function f of x, which is e to the power minus x minus mu, where x is greater than equals to mu. Now we have to find the MLE of probability x1 greater than equals to small t, where small t is greater than mu. Now we are given four options, and among these four options we need to find the correct one. So first we write probability of x1 greater than equals to t. Therefore it is nothing but t to infinity e to the power minus x minus mu dx, as this is the PDF of x. Okay, therefore we get t to infinity e to the power minus x dx, or we can write e to the power minus x multiplied by e to the power mu dx. Therefore e to the power mu is a constant, so we write it outside the integration, and here we get e to the power minus x dx, e to the power minus x by minus 1 t to infinity minus e to the power mu, e to the power minus infinity is 0, then we get e to the power minus t, e to the power mu multiplied by e to the power minus t. Therefore we can write e to the power minus t minus mu. Okay, so the required probability, which is probability x1 greater than equals to t, is nothing but e to the power minus t minus mu, where t is obviously greater than mu. Okay, now we have to find the MLE of mu. To find that, we need to write the likelihood function defined by L of x curl, which is e to the power minus sum over xi minus mu, where xi's are greater than equals to mu. Or we can write x1, x2, xn is greater than equals to mu, or we can write x order 1 is greater than equals to mu. Okay, now we have to find the supremum of L of x curl. Therefore the supremum of e to the power minus sum over xi minus mu. Now from this condition we can see that the supremum of mu is x order 1. Therefore we can write that mu MLE is x order 1. Now the function e to the power minus t minus mu is a one-to-one function of mu. Therefore by the invariance property, we can write the MLE of e to the power minus t minus mu is equals to e to the power minus t minus x order 1. Okay, therefore B is the correct answer. Here we write that e to the power minus t minus mu is an one-to-one function of mu. Therefore we can apply the invariance property of MLE, and we get the MLE as e to the power minus t minus x order 1. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.